Mama's vlog, and I'm actually her son. Today I'm going to be unboxing my brand new shoes. Let's get started. Okay, let's... Oh. Oh.
That's too big box.
Yeah, it's big. It's a big box. Wait a minute.
Are you sure it's Adidas?
Yes, it's Adidas.
Okay.
My mom bought it for me.
I bought it for you?
Yes. Thank you for buying me this brand new shoe. I'm so happy.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Wait.
Enjoy your brand new shoe.
Of course I will. Oh, wait a minute.
Careful.
Okay. Alright. Just take these tapes. There's a lot of tapes. There it is.
To make sure it will not open.
Oh, there we go. Okay.
Slowly.
What?
What? Let me see. What is that?
What?
Is that Adidas?
No!
Why? Why is that Adidas? I thought it's Adidas. Let me see.
Bro,
Can you take
this-
it out?
This is my shoes. Ah!
It's your old shoes.
No!
What are you going to
It's
do?
Adidas.
It's Adidas.
You pranked me, didn't you? Are you pranking me?
You don't like it?
No, I want Adidas.
Is that Adidas? Okay, we'll take the other one. Sorry.
Huh?
It's just a prank.
Bruh. Why would you prank me? I'm so excited to see it.
I'm going to take the other one.
Okay.
Take it up.
Yeah. Where did I put this? Inside the box?
Yeah.
Oh, that's why this is a old box.
Yes. And it's Donny. It's not Adidas. Look.
Bruh. Why would you prank me?
Wait. I gotta take
You
it.
are-
That is real. That is the real one.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Let me see
That's the
this.
real one.
Let me see this. Okay, there's no sign. But there's like this. Okay. It's real.
Are you sure it's real?
Yes. Because this one has like this. Too hard to open.
Open it carefully.
Okay, I'm so excited. Thank you, by the way.
You're welcome.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, there's a tape. Okay. I can see. Look at this.
Oh,
OMG.
wow.
Wow!
It's real.
It's real! It's not fake anymore! Guys, I got my
Wow.
shoes!
It's Adidas shoes.
Okay,
Put it here.
okay. 3, 2, 1.
Wait. Slowly, slowly.
3, 2, 1.
Wow. It's real Adidas.
It's real! Thank you! Thank you!
You're welcome.
I'm
Want
not
to try it?
sure. Why? I'm gonna cut this. I wanna put it on. There's paper. Paper shoes. Yeah. Wait. Oh. It's so hard to take the paper off. Is it? And yeah.
Put your garbage bin.
Okay. Wait. Yeah.
What are you doing?
Okay.
You're smelling it?
It's good.
Wow!
Now
It's
the
a
other
rubber.
one. Let's try. Let's take the other paper off. Oh. There.
Don't smell it.
Why?
It's a rubber.
Okay. Just gonna put everything where I can.
Very good. You wanna try your shoes?
Yes, of course.
Okay, try it.
Let me just do this.
Okay.
Okay.
Very good.
Yeah.
And try it.
I'm gonna try it. The moment of truth.
Wow.
Wow. This is good. Nice.
Nice.
Not bad. It's good. It's good. Oh. Okay. The other one. Wait a minute.
Wow, it's nice. Did I got you on my prank?
Yes, you got me there good.
So what you want to say?
Like and subscribe.
Aw. Like and subscribe.
Turn the
Bye.
notifications on.